Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete empty space and collapsible sections. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have here collapsible section. Now in here, I have some empty spaces, which is this one, as well as this one. Now if I want to adjust it, what I can do is I can actually head over and then just try to move things around. So in here on the space right here, we can actually just click on the text, all of the elements that we want to move, and from in there, just drag this until you reach your desired space just by this one. And then in here, we have now here a very big space remaining. Now what you can do is you can actually stick on this and then just scroll up until you can do this thing right here. Another option that you can do is you can actually head over and then try to double click this. Then by doing that, as you can see, the empty space has been removed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it has range for people. See you soon.